Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you're wondering what to pair up with dill, what goes well with dill, I've got a list of foods for you, broken up into different categories. So hopefully this will give you some ideas on something a little bit different to do with the dill that you have. Now I'm referring specifically to the dill weed or the dill leaves. They have a completely different flavor than the dill seeds. So remember, we're talking about the dill weed or the leaves here. Now in the way of protein foods that go well with dill weed, we've got beans, black-eyed peas, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, lamb, peas, seafood of all sorts, tahini, and tofu. In the way of vegetables, there's artichokes, asparagus, beets, bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, chives, corn, which we know is a grain, but we use it as a vegetable, so I've got it listed both ways, cucumbers, eggplant, fennel, kale, kohlrabi, mushrooms, onions, peas, again, that's more like a legume, but we use it as a vegetable as well, pickles, potatoes, pumpkin, which is interesting to me, sauerkraut, spinach, summer squash, tomatoes, and zucchini. In the way of fruit, we know that lemon blends well with dill. In the way of grains and grain foods, we have biscuits, breads, corn, barley, millet, noodles, pasta, rice, and wheat berries. In the dairy department, including non-dairy, we have cheese of different types like cottage cheese, feta, and goat cheese, sauces, particularly cheese and yogurt sauces, sour cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's mayonnaise, oil, mustard, and vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar. Well, I do hope this helps you out and gives you some ideas on something different to do with dill. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.